Hello everyone. I think after a long time I'm doing a video on programming. I am Nagaraju. Today I'm going to talk about what is the structure of a C programming, where it is used, where it is comes from, what is the purpose of this programming language. These are all topics, and the structure of a C program, how it looks like. These are all concepts I am going to cover in this scenario. Yes, C programming is nothing but a programming language is used to interface between a user understandable language, user understandable and machine. By using this language, you can interact with within the operating system. There are the two types of softwares are there. Software is nothing but a set of instructions, set of programs. Set of programs is nothing but a software. Set of instructions is nothing but a programming language. As coming to the software system, system software is nothing but a operating system. It is used to gives the information where gives the information by using the system calls. This is the topic of operating system. This is completely different from programming language. You can develop operating system by using the C programming language. As in this scenario, C programming is mainly focused on the developing the operating system. It is comes from it is developed in the year of 1972 by the developed by the Dennis Ritchie at the AT&T Bell Laboratory. So C programming is the basic programming language to learn all the programmers. To after that can learn so many programming languages like Python, Java, C++. These are all the programming languages you can easily. This is the basic fundamental programming language. All programmers, all students to know about the C programming language. As C programming language is a low level and as well as high level. That's why it is called as a middle level language. You can write as a low level language, nothing but zeros and ones. High level language is nothing but it is in the form of English words. That means user can understand very quickly and very efficient. In between low level and high level language, there is assembly language. In this language we are using mnemonics, nothing but a suppose you can add two numbers by using add is the one mnemonic, and r1 and r2, these are the registers. These are the fast acting as compared to normal variables. Yes, this is the topic. You can run on a programming language on Windows as well as Linux. In Linux we are using a programming.c. Programming as is converted into programming.exe. After that object file is a.out in Linux, whereas in the Windows object file is a programming.obj. It is completely user can't understand this code. This is the object code in Windows. I need to write a program in Windows. Yes. um, this is for basic level programming language. Today I am going to show how the programming is look like. So what are the header files and what is variable declarations and how it write how to perform different operations on operators by using different operands. These are all performed today. Yes, it's coming to the programming language. How structure is looks like. First, header file section. In this is the free processor where programming is compiled before these header files are executed one by one. There are the different types of header files are there: stdio.h, conhour.h, math.h, string.h, where you perform manipulations on strings. We are using string.h. There are the different types of header files are there. I definitely provide so many advanced topics like all the whatever the topics in C programming language I definitely cover in further days. In this scenario, this header file is enough. After that, main function we need to mention. Yes, this is the user defined function. All are thinking about main function is an predefined function, but not at all right answer, because of main function is user defined function. Because of in this main function we are writing code user, but not it is a predefined. That's why it is called as a user defined function. After that we are declaring a variables whatever you want to use in this program. In this program I just want to add two numbers. This is the basic structure how the C programming is looks like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and share it is your friends. As coming to the topic, a comma b comma c, this is the declaration of variables. Initialization is nothing but in this declaration part you can initialize directly a equal to 5 or b equal to 10, whatever it may be. What you want you can do, and that's now I'm just declaring the variables. After that, in C programming there are the different commands are there. For displaying the output we are using printf, and taking the input from the user you can use the scanner. In different program languages we are having different commands are there. Let's coming to the Python, print function for displaying the output, and input taking from the user, we just want the input function, that's all. Whereas in the Java, system.out.println, this is the standard output function in Java, and input function whereas in the system.in we are going to use. Whereas in C++, cin and cout are the commands to display in the output and to read in the input from the user. Let's come into the topic. Printf enter two numbers s, semicolon is nothing but a termination of this statement. After that you can scan two numbers a and b. These are the formats specifiers where you are using the C programming language. There are the different formats specified like floating format, percentage f, percentage p for pointers. There are the lf. There are the different formats specifiers are specifying in the C programming language. After that, you can mention address of a, after that address of b. Up to now user can read the a and b values. We can here you can perform a one operation, is nothing but a we are using operator between the two operands. It is nothing but one operations, one expression you can call it as. Here a plus b is the operation. Finally c is holding the addition of a and b values. Here we just print the values of c, that's all. This is the program we have to write in this scenario. You can save it as a program dot, this is the extension of programming dot. I want to save it as in a E drive because of all my C programs are there. S you can compile by using this. If you have any errors in this, it just raises an errors in this portion. If not, here you have to see errors are 0, warnings are 0. You can compile, you can execute, run, enter two numbers 5 and 10, it displays 15. This is how looks like. This is the structure of C programming, how to basic concepts are in this C programming, how there are the where it is comes from, why it is used. Generally these are all topics covered in this scenario. Thank you friends. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you.